Okay guys, we're back and we're positioning the turbo so we have an idea where to put components and whatnot. So let's get started on that. I'll show you what I've done up to this point. There, get rid of that for now. Okay, got this board here to set things on. And this here is going to be basically the input for the intake manifold. It's lined up, it's parallel with the ports. I do have a little filling to do. That's okay. That's what brazing's for. Now we're going to set this on here. This here is going to go right here. Let's get you over here so you can see better. This is our outlet tube to go into the manifold. That's set here. We've got to move this over a little farther. We've got to cap that off. Our exhaust is poured into here, and it comes from right down here. Do you guys see this? So it's going to be a little rounded thing going up and getting there. That's not that bad to do. What I should do now is cut a space out for this and lower that in so it sits flat. Get a pen and mark that out. This, by the way, this 5/8 wafer board seems to be the right size. And it's cheap. Spring is in the air. I'm starting to cough and sneeze. Wonder why that is. So we're going to cut this out. Oh, you can cut that out. Luckily we're not going for the best sawmanship in the world on this. Okay, sitting like that. We can come in a little bit. I'd say like about another ½ inch. Luckily you're not going for the best sawing job in the world. Right there. Right there. Okay, let's set this down. There. Okay, a little bit here, getting a little tight there. Still got the same proportions over here. So this isn't too bad. It's going to be a really easy thing to do. It's from there up to there. Hopefully that won't be so bad. Exhaust, of course, to go straight down. Right where those tubes are. Ha. Let's mark this. And let's do another cut. There. Okay, that's where the turbo is going to go, apparently. Looks like this from this side. Still got plenty of space from here. Looks like about an inch to go there. Two and a half inches it looks like for a stub coming off there. Okay, let's stack up what we need to make this work. Is that level? I wonder if it is. This, of course, has to be level. It needs to go down in the back. And that way. Down a little bit in the front. Okay, that's cool. That's good enough. So, we have to make an adapter for there. Not the right one, but an adapter anyway. Made this for an Offenhauser manifold years ago. 1-inch spacer plate. This is to court kickoff valves and power valves on a AFB. But we're not, this is an Autolite. We're just having this as a placeholder right now. Autolite 41. I believe this one's off a Mustang. A 289 HP one. Probably worth $100 or so. For whatever reason, my Edelbrock AFD or AVS has disappeared somewhere. So this is why we're using this. This is a placeholder. Let's shut the lid. See if we have room. We got room. You think we can probably put an air cleaner on there? Getting pretty close. The whole idea of doing a draw through is to keep everything under the hood. Let's do a little more trimming on that. See if we can get that thing set somewhat level. So you keep trying this stuff until you get it right. Okay, if you notice, right here it's sitting on top of the weight, the spring weight. Oh, not really. It's got a little bit of clearance. That is used to make the choke flap work correctly. And we want to keep that working because we need to heat our manifold a little bit. because this will cool off and the gas will fall out of suspension. And we don't want that. Okay. Of course, it's not flat, as you can tell by looking at it. Way off. Way off. That's got to be parallel to the ground. And it will be by the time we get done doing all this. But I think that's basically where the thing is going to fall. Got here to here, that looks straight. Let's see if it is. We're going to make a bracket that goes from there to here. That looks straight. And from here, and from there to there, and from here up to there. I think that'll work. Now let's mount our fuel regulator on there. And that'll keep that all nice and level, hopefully. And also go to the front. Closer. It's not parallel either. But there we go. That's what it's going to look like. You notice that hole moved down a little bit. So I wonder where my AFB went. Yeah, it's under someplace. So I think that's going to be it for right now. We got to get the piece that goes here. I haven't got that ordered right. Ordered one, but I got the wrong size. Typical. And then we get that in there and start getting this all lined up. When we get that all lined up, then we can start making a intake manifold. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in a bit.